So this is just an unboxing video of my leatherman skeletool CX. So here it is. I already kind of opened it. I didn't look inside yet, so I'm just trying to open it a little bit more. There we go. Here it is. Leatherman. Now you're ready. They're multi-tools, if anyone doesn't know. There's a Leatherman skeletool, just a steel one, but this is the stronger, and like it lasts a little longer, definitely. It's got a cooler look to it and everything. So I'm guessing this is just the user guide or whatever. Let's just discover it ourselves. And use the Leatherman itself. Pretty cool. It is a little heavy. It is a little small. It's not that big. So, let me see if I can just hold the camera so I can use this with two hands. Okay guys, we're back. So here it is. This will take a look at the features. And this is the knife itself. It's very sharp, actually. It's brand new. It's got a nice lock into it, so it's nice and steady. It does have like a little clip. I guess you could use that for your pocket or something on the side of your pants or to an object. And then what this is on top here is a bottle opener, which is really cool. And then if you open it up, it's actually pliers. It's a needle nose pliers. It does have wire cutters in it, you can see. So it's really good. They're really sharp too. Overall, let me see. It's actually very strong and steady. And then let's see. And finally, you could hold. I want to like hold it like this. You've got the Phillips head. And then you have the flat head too. They're locked in there too, actually. You see, it can't come out. And if I press on the lockdown or whatever this is, it comes right out. It's got two sides to it. And then they give you the flat heads. Let me see. If I can find it. They have a little thing to hold it in. It's on the side here, and it comes right out. And here's the flat heads. Put that back in. I think that's just about it. Maybe one other feature is it's got a little buckle to it or whatever. It's pretty steady and strong too. It's got a nice feel to it. It's got a nice look to it too. So it's really nice. So that's really it, you guys. If you have any questions, comments, please put it at the bottom. Yeah, that's really it. So thanks for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys later.